got a new jack. Walmart special. Trying to do my coilovers on a budget. For the first time ever doing something like that. This was only 60 bucks, so this fits the bill for my budget. Let's see what we got here. Looks nice enough. I miss having one of these. This is the jack I've had for about, I don't know, I think 20 years I've had this jack, close to 20 years. I lost the handle for it a long time ago. It's got a really low minimum, what? It's actually got a higher raise height than this one does, but by less than an inch, so whatever. But I don't trust this one because it's old and I didn't have an arm for it, and I'm tired of putting random tools in the end and it's falling out, and I don't trust it. So now I have two jacks, and that's good. Yeah, so just that part alone I'm very happy about. And the wheel on this one broke off. The original pins snapped. The washer flew off while it was underneath my car, and the wheel went, and the whole thing went tilted to the side. And thankfully it didn't fall, but yeah, I don't know. I want to be getting under my car frequently. I just wanted a newer one. I'll use jack stands too, obviously. Keep that one just in case. Appears to be decent enough quality. All right. It looks pretty nice. It works. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna try right this second, but test it out on the car and leave it sit for a bit. Make sure it doesn't droop or anything, but again, I won't be working on my car without jack stands in it, so. I'm so ready to lower my car, to try it out.